Welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to take this engine that you see here all dirty and grimy and everything, and we're going to super clean it with none other than, you've probably heard of it before, I just gave it away, Super Clean. All right, so this engine is from our 2008 Scion XD hiding underneath that cover there, and we took the engine out a couple weeks ago. And basically, we need to take off this timing cover on this side. But in order to do that, first, we gotta clean it, all right? So, let's go ahead and get started. All you gotta do is just spray it on wherever it is you're trying to clean. Wait it out, if, you know, I'll probably let it soak for a few minutes. I'm basically gonna brush over the whole engine, and then we'll be done. We'll be super cleaned up, all right? So that's it. Let's go ahead and get rolling. Soak the whole engine in this super clean. And they got all over the valve cover. Might as well just go over the whole engine. Clean what we can. And we're just spraying over. Let's put it on stream here. Oh yeah, that's what I should have done. Look at it, it's taking it right off there. All right, I think that's good. We'll just let it sit there for a few minutes and then we will start scrubbing. We've noticed that you guys who've been watching us, but not really subscribing. I think maybe we're at like 3% out of all of our total viewership. So if you like our work and you like our videos, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got plenty of content on the Nissan Altima sitting right over here. We got F-150. Bob has two F-150s actually, a 95 one and a 2013. And then I got my Silverado sitting over there in the corner. Other than that, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. All right, so we've let it sit with all the super clean for about 10 minutes now. And then me and Joe are ready to go ahead. We're gonna start scrubbing it down and hopefully get this thing super duper clean. I think the top is pretty much set. What do you think, Joe? Looking good. Oh, I'm taking off the barcode. No. All right, still a 2ZR SP15. All right, we're all done. And this is the final product. You see there's the valve cover is a lot cleaner than it was before, and we cleaned up all this down here. This was covered in grease and grime and dirt. I mean, there's still a little bit left over. It did really well. Up top here. You can really see the difference from before. Joe, what do you think? Yeah, good. Yep. Joe thinks it's good, and I think it's good. So if you're interested, go ahead and click that link down in the description and buy yourself some Super Clean. Other than that, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Click that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.